going in the jungle. Welcome to the jungle.
One down again.
Okay. Okay, babe. Tell me how you feeling right now.
Oh, this is absolutely awesome. Completely worth it.
Look at this view. Wow. There's the water right there. We're gonna cross right now, and then we're gonna. Apparently, we're pretty close to the waterfall. So.
You got big bags.
So here we go. Okay. Well, that's good.
Wow.
Here we are in the middle of paradise.
These are the
Look how
mountains
close
you
we are
see
to
from the
those things
thing,
up there. This is what I was telling Diva I wanted to go hike and climb. She thought it was crazy, and look, here she is with me. We doing the damn thing. How close we are. Yeah, beautiful up here. Dude, you didn't even hit the bottom then right there.
No.
Wow.
No. They said 12 to 14 feet.
Wow. In the sun.
I could that feet in a bike.
Okay.
Ooh. Did you not go all the way up? Did you guys see the other waterfall? Alright, I'm gonna wait over here.
We made it. We made it.
Are you gonna jump with that on
Dude, this is straight paradise. Crazy, look at this. Wow. How many thousands of people have been coming here over the centuries? Crazy. We are truly blessed to be here. Alright, here we go. That was awesome. That was crazy. That was fun. Here we go again. Someone look down. Ready? That's what it's like to jump off there. Alright. Okay. Go! Oh, that was badass. We're in, what's the waterfall called? Anyway, that's the waterfall. And
I think it's called Walamana. Fall.
It was like an hour hike.
Yes.
Through
the mud.
Through the mud, roots, terrain, uphill, downhill,
I felt fun.
mountaintops. But it's definitely worth it. That
fun.
water is, I didn't even touch the bottom. And we did it. And it adds to our experience here. And I couldn't be any more blessed to be with you here. I love you more.
He thinks so.
And we're probably going to have some Mai Tais and Pina Coladas after this, because this is definitely our workout for the day, because we still got to go back.